Hello, today I'm going to go over this worksheet, Evaluating Information, Quasars. So we haven't talked about quasars yet, but they do fall under the topic of both galaxies and black holes. Quasars are they're large, supermassive black holes in the center of galaxies. But the thing about quasars is they're the brightest objects in our universe. And the reason they're so bright is because this huge black hole here, which is the size of a solar system, has all this debris swirling around it, swirling. And that is enough light, it's bright enough to be brighter. Just this whole region, this accretion disk, is brighter than multiple galaxies put together. So these are very, very bright objects. Now, most of the quasars existed, a few billion years after the Big Bang. And now we're about 13 to 14 billion years away from the Big Bang. There's less and less of them. And we see that here in these graphs. This first graph shows time in billions of years, and then the number of quasars. And you can see it drops off pretty quickly. The thing is, these quasars are formed in those early chaotic galaxy forming times. So not only do you have a galaxy here and then this accretion disk, but you have all this extra gas and dust that's falling into this galaxy, oftentimes because galaxies are merging. And when they merge, there's extra fuel for this quasar. That's why they're so bright. And we don't see them a lot now because a lot of that activity has finished up. What we're doing is we're looking at this first graph here, not the second graph. This is star forming rate, which does kind of coincide with this, but we're looking at this first graph. And we're just going to determine how many quasars there were after each billion years. So the first one is 1 billion years. Oops. And I have to estimate here. I'm going to say 1 billion is right about here because this is 5, this is 0, so I'll say 1. Now, how many quasars were there? Well, I'm going to go up. And this can get tricky too because we have 10 to the second, which is actually 100, 10 to the third, which is 1,000, and 10 to the fourth, which is 10,000. So you're gonna have to make your best guesses. In this case, it's between 100 and 1,000. I'm gonna say 400. 400 active quasars. And then at 2, and I'm gonna guess 2 is right about here. I go up, and that looks like it's right around 10,000 to me. And you're just gonna keep doing that all the way across until you get to 10 billion years right there, filling in this table. All right, let me know if you need any help. Thanks.